regarding Android, as I mentioned earlier, Verizon, even though it was not the first carrier to adopt Android, has been the most successful in terms of proliferating it in the US. So it really all started with the original Motorola Droid late last year. And since then, it's been almost a litany of high-end and actually mid-range Android devices as well. But if you look at Verizon's lineup right now, they have a pretty significant concentration of high-end Android devices. You've got the Droid 2, the Droid Incredible, the Droid X, which has a 4.3-inch screen. They just added the Fascinate, and indeed Samsung is now rolling out, or just recently announced, Galaxy Tab, which is a 7-inch slate tablet device that will be distributed through all 4 major US carriers, the same way its Galaxy S smartphones, Android-based Galaxy S smartphones was distributed. So you've got a lot of product out there, and Verizon, ever since the introduction of the iPhone, has been looking for something that can offer a large library of applications, a smooth touchscreen experience, a high-quality web browser, and Android is the tool that they're using to meet the customer's expectations, which have been raised in terms of what a smartphone experience should be.
So how come they're winning? Are they winning because it's better than the iPhone, because it's cheaper, because it's easier to use? Why are they sort of winning now?
Because they have incredible distribution. You know, Verizon Wireless is the largest US carrier, and even though we hear a lot about these various phones stealing customers from the other carriers, and to some extent they do, even for the most successful phone, the iPhone, at stealing customers from other carriers, most of those sales go into the installed base of the carrier. So in the case of the iPhone, you know, in the US, most of those sales are into AT&T. And so for Verizon, the overwhelming majority of these Android devices has been into its massive installed base of customers.